Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install XAMPP on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, go to the official XAMPP website by searching for apachefriends.org on your search bar. And once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the available download options. Here, you'll find installers for different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Since we're installing it on a PC or laptop running Windows, simply click the download button under XAMPP for Windows. After that, the XAMPP installer file will begin downloading, so just wait for it to finish. And once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file. And then the XAMPP setup wizard will appear. From here, simply click Next. On the Select Components page, you can choose which services you want to install. For most users, it's perfectly fine to leave the default selections since they already include the most commonly used components, such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP-MyAdmin. So just click Next. And once you reach the final setup page, click Next again to begin the installation. Now just wait for XAMPP to finish installing on your computer. And once the installation is complete, leave the Launch XAMPP Control Panel option checked, and then click Finish. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully installed XAMPP on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.